Hi, good morning. Please introduce yourself.
Hi, ma'am, sir. My name is Rachel Jane Anto Ayon. I'm 33 years old. I'm single. I have no kid. I finished my study at Negros Oriental State University with a degree of Bachelor of Technological Education.
Okay, how many brothers and sisters do you have?
I have 4 brothers and 1 sister. I am the fourth child of the family.
Okay, do you have any work experience as a housemaid before?
Yes, I do have an experience of a housemaid. Our duties is to take care of the 2 children, the ages 10 to 12 years old, boy and girl.
Other job duties in the house? Did you clean the house?
Yes, sir. I clean the house. I go to market and
Did you do cooking in the house of your employer?
yes, sir.
Okay, so in Hong Kong, if there is a newborn baby with your employer, will willing to take care?
Yes, sir.
So if the baby is crying, what will you do?
I'm going to check the diaper if it's wet, and I'm going to change it. And if the baby is still not stop crying, I'm going to give a milk, and I'm going to check the temperature.
Okay, do you know how to take a bath of the baby?
Yes, sir.
So what will you do and what you need to prepare?
The first thing that I'm going to prepare is prepare a lukewarm water and a towel, a soup, and I'm going to take her the nose, the eyes, and the mouth of the baby. Water will not go inside the nose, the eyes, and the mouth of the baby.
Okay, so if the children is very naughty, do you have a long patient for them?
Yes, sir.
So why do you want to come to Hong Kong?
I'm going to come to Hong Kong because I want to earn money to support my family financially.
Okay, so when you work in Hong Kong, you cannot avoid the homesick. So what will you do?
I'm going to focus myself at work, and I'm going to tell myself that I need this job and I need to earn money for my families to support their needs.
Okay, so if the baby or children is sick in Hong Kong, what will you do?
I'm going to check the temperature. I'm going to give them medicine, and I'm going to ask the parents of the child to bring them to the hospital.
Okay, since your course is education, so do you love to teach the kid?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so in Hong Kong, so are you willing to cook Chinese food?
Yes, I'm willing to learn to cook the Chinese food.
Are you scared dogs and cats?
No, ma'am.
Sir. Do you have dogs and cats in our house?
Yes, sir. I have dogs and cats in the house.
Okay, so in Hong Kong, if there is some car on the employer, are you willing to do the car washing without the extra pay?
Yes, sir.
So if there is an elder person in the house, are you willing to assist to take care of elder person, assist them
Yes,
for the
sir.
needs? Okay. Do you have any allergy?
No, sir.
So you eat everything, right?
Yes, sir.
Can you sing a song for the baby?
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
Okay, thank you. So do you have any tattoo in your body?
Yes, sir.
In which part?
The right part of the arm.
Can you show the camera? So that's the only tattoo in your body?
Yes, sir.
So, can you promise to tulong money in Hong Kong?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so can you, in Hong Kong, if the employer want your hair short, are you willing to cut your hair short before you come to Hong Kong?
Yes, sir.
Okay, lastly, what is your message to your future employer to hire you?
Hi to my future employer. Please hire me as your helper. I am honest, cheerful, helpful person, and I can work under pressure. I will promise you to finish my 2 years contract, and as long as you need me. And hoping for your positive feedback. Thank you, ma'am, sir.
Thank you. See you in Hong Kong.